My name is Nina and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to be doing an unboxing, another Telfar unboxing, and I am so excited. It's been a while since I filmed a Telfar unboxing. I personally am so obsessed with the brand as a whole. They got me from the minute I heard a black luxury designer bag, because I'm a bag girl. So I'm going to show you guys the Telfar X Ugg collection bag. I am so obsessed. As soon as I seen it, I've had it in this box this whole time. Mind you, I got this bag, I want to say maybe like a few months ago through their bag security program. If you've watched any videos on my channel, you know I'm completely obsessed with their bag security program. I think it's literally the best thing you can do if you want to guarantee yourself a Telfar bag. Yes, you gotta wait. Yes, you know, you still pay up front, but it's 100% worth it because you definitely get your bag and they take your money so seriously. So we're just gonna get into this unboxing. As y'all can see, I got my hair done. I'm kind of filming myself a little bit, but y'all can see that, right? All right, guys, so view has been completely adjusted. Here is the box. I want to make sure my address isn't on here. It came in this big old box. As y'all can see, I haven't opened the box. I got some scissors because we're about to open the box. I'm trying to figure out, oh, I see. They taped it right about here. So I am going to use my scissors to essentially cut into the box, because this is an unboxing, right? This is what we doing. This is what we doing. Honestly, ever since I came back from Jamaica, I've just been feeling like going away again. Like, that's just how I feel. So be on the lookout for more vacation style vlogs and just more vlogs in general, because I like doing those. They're fun. So finally got it open. Woo! Yes, the box is huge and I am struggling. Okay, so the box is open. I gotta adjust so you guys can see me. It has this, dropping it to the ground, and here's the bag. Woo! Woohoo! Yes! Okay. Let me show y'all the other side because I'm so excited. Okay. Alright. So here is the bag. Y'all can see this is the first time I'm opening this. Y'all can just see it. So I'm gonna keep that. I act like I throw this stuff away. I don't throw none of this stuff away. Like the plastic bag, whatever. I put everything right back as I found it until I'm ready to wear it. I'm feeling New York. That's what I'm feeling. I'm also feeling Ugg, because you know Ugg is known for like that sheepskin type material. Makes you feel really comfy, really cozy. This for me is like a fall bag, which is great because fall is around the corner. So here we have this. I'm gonna do my other side because this is my good side. Here we have it. It says Ugg Telfar here, and it has this little thing with words. It says, way back in 2010, we made an unauthorized deconstructed Ugg classic boot, the centerpiece of our fall/winter show. That was way before collaborations were a thing, before accessible was considered fashionable, and before a black-owned gender-free label was considered possible. We've got a long way to go, better dressed comfortable. And it has Telfar. If you guys seen the marketing for this, it was low marketing. It was a post on Instagram, and it made me want to buy it because I love that. So we are just going to carefully, you know, as the girls say, carefully. Oh my god, I feel like I ripped it. There's just no way not to, like, you know. There's no way to save the wrapping. And ladies and gentlemen, we have a bag. What do they have to say on TikTok? Ladies and gentlemen, her. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Can you tell I'm obsessed? This could be dressed up, obviously, because look, this is high end. This is giving me luxury. And I think it could also be dressed down if you wear it with your Uggs, any Uggs, like Ugg boots, Ugg slides. Literally, it's just giving. Look at the E. The E has the sheepskin in it. The material is just beautiful. The sheepskin is literally like all around. I'm going to take this off. Ooh. And y'all, over here it says Ugg X Telfar, which is amazing. So this is the bag. It has a strap for you. I feel like people wish Telfar bags were more like structured and felt less like tote bags, but you have to realize they're tote bags. There's no structure to these, baby, and that's okay. But I feel like this one actually has more structure, because when you get other Telfar bags, they kind of come folded up, and this came like this. Like, this is a structured bag. I think this is what the girls have been asking for in the other Telfar bags. So anyways, this bag was released in this size and in the mini size, like the small. And when you open it, you know, if you're a connoisseur like myself, when you open it, it has the same beautiful sheepskin material on the inside. It comes with a dust bag. You know, we are official. And I'm completely obsessed. Everything was put together so beautifully, and I just love this bag. I feel like it is so fashionable, and I love unique bags. I love one-of-a-kind bags, and that is what this is giving me. Y'all can already see the size too. Like, look at this. So this is that bag I was telling y'all about. I'm so happy I got to unbox it with you guys, even though it was a little late. Oops, my bad. So what I'm gonna do, as I do with my other Telfar bags, I place it right back in the plastic wrapping. I don't want anything to ruin it. Y'all know when you get like water on your Uggs, that ugly thing that happened to them, you could see like the wet wear, like the water wear, or the watermark, whatever. So I just put this right back in the plastic bag, and I will actually put this away so it is out of the elements in a nice dark cool spot, because I am in love. So that was the Telfar bag, guys. That was it for today's video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Let me know if you guys got any Telfar bags. I am so upset I actually missed the lavender drop, and usually I like to put things down in like a calendar so I remember, hey, this is coming up. Didn't do that, and I missed the lavender drop, and it made me so sad. And honestly, guys, I got a Telfar. I share something in common with Beyonce. Me and her both got Telfars, okay? Alright, so that was it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share this video if you enjoyed it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!